Good day everyone, I'm John Marie, I'm 20 years old, and today I'm gonna teach you on how to transfer file using a LAN cable to a Windows 11 to Windows 10. So, or I should say Windows 10 to Windows 11. So first, go to this PC and find a network. Then as you can see, they're connected to each other, and also the LAN cable is connected to each other. So click this tab B5, then users, public, and public pictures. So I'm gonna drag it PowerPoint to copy in another laptop. So as you can see, the PowerPoint is move it to another laptop, and if I delete it, the PowerPoint that I've shared is already deleted.